Ginawa kong fruits. Ayan. Pineapple, strawberry. Ayan guys. Guys, welcome to my vlog, Barlin Luzano, and don't forget like and subscribe. Dito kami sa Rosalina Resort. Ayan, dito yung pasukan. Dito yung pasukan niya guys. Ayan yung pasukan. Ayan yung gate. Ayan yung pasukan. May mga pool, bawat kwarto may pool. Ayan. Bawat kwarto may pool dyan guys. Ayan, bawal magkamera sa kwan kasi naliligo sila. Guys, ito yung sa pagdasalan niya, dito yung pool. Yan, katatapos ko lang naglinis dyan sa room. Nandyan yung pool. Nandyan yung pool. Ayan yung pool guys. Tubig. Katatapos namin kumain guys. Thank you for watching guys. Short lang video. Ating fruits. Ayan. Ayan yung ginawa natin fruits guys. Nabalot na siya. Ayan guys. Ang ginawa kong fruits. Ayan. Pineapple, strawberry. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching.